Really good question. So if anyone is going into surgery, if everyone's recovered from surgery, we kind of treat this like we're recovering from antibiotics and medications as well. So we need to first and foremost remove all of the toxins that has been injected and that we've kind of consumed in this whole procedure. We need to repair the gut, and we also need to lower our pain tolerance, don't we? We need to lower the inflammation. So one of the best things that you can do is turmeric. Turmeric contains one of the best anti-inflammatory properties called curcumin. Now you can get this in the extract. You can have it as an oil as well, or you can just have it as the powder form. But if you have the oil, one of the best things that you can do is probably like have 1,000 milligrams or so, which is only like 30 drops. So you can have this in a tea with some lemon, with some ginger. Ginger is also fantastic as well, as it has, it inhibits our pain receptor, which is our COX-2. So it inhibits that, so it's a natural pain relief type of food as well.
Another thing that came to mind was holy basil. So it's not the same as your regular basil. It's actually called holy basil, or you would say basil. So it's actually, you can get it as an extract. You can get it as an actual herb, where you maybe just like sprinkle it on your salad, or it comes as an oil. And so it's really going to be good for decreasing inflammation, which is going to help with pain. It's also good at boosting mood and then just brain function. And then when you're not outside of surgery, it's actually just really calming and good for sleep, so you can take it before bed. But holy basil, yeah, it's amazing.
Yeah. Another one, speaking of like essential oils and stuff, is frankincense, because it contains alpha-pinene, which is the compound that they use as a synthetic form of medication to help with moods, with depression, and with pain relief as well. So it's really good for the brain. It's really good for the gut, and really just has huge anti-inflammatory properties as well. So when you come off all of the synthetic medications and the surgical procedures, then they might even induce you with, you might have some morphine, you might have ketamine, you might have some of these really these strong pain relief medications going through you. Now, when you get off that, you're going to have some big withdrawal symptoms. And depending on the surgery that you're having, you might need to be on pain, strong oxytocin or oxycodone for a couple of weeks. And so when you come off that, your serotonin, your dopamine level are going to plummet. So frankincense is a really good one to help boost your brain and your gut, and reduce the inflammation and promote a positive mood inside you and your body. Anything else? There's chili. Chili's really good as well. So chili, specifically cayenne pepper, is really good at helping the gut reduce. It's really strong. It's really potent candida fighter. So when you have all of these medications, it's going to create a large quantity of unhealthy bacteria inside your gut. This is a breeding ground for candida and fungus and bacteria and stuff like that. So chili, specifically cayenne pepper, is really good at kind of putting the fire out inside your gut. And again, we want to be promoting gut health. So turmeric or curcumin, what makes you absorb the curcumin even more is having some sort of pepper with it. Could just be black pepper as well, but something spicy to help you absorb it.
Did you say activated charcoal?
Nope.
Activated charcoal would be good. It's going to bind to the toxins and just help you flush out any sort of toxins in your body. It's going to be like a good kidney cleanse and really good detoxification. So just scoop some activated charcoal in some water or mix it in your smoothie.
Yeah, activated charcoal is really, really good. Certainly if you're coming off antibiotics, certainly if you're wanting to help your liver detox, certainly as Steph just mentioned about the kidneys. Yeah, what it does is it binds to things, so it's a binder. So it's really, really important when you have activated charcoal that you drink a lot of water, okay? If you don't, it's going to bind to all of these toxins and you're not going to be able to flush them out. So they're going to start to circulate around your body again. So anything to do with the medications, the anesthesia, the pain medications as well, anything artificial, it's going to bind to that and speed up the removal from your body. So beet juice or beetroot powder is really good as well, because beetroot's really good for the blood, and it's really good at delivering oxygen around the blood. So it's going to help to speed up a bit of the recovery process, but again, just going to help to alkalize your body. You know, when you go through surgery and you have all of the exogenous medications and pain medications, you're going to be in quite an acidic state. And our body thrives in a slightly alkaline state. And beet juice, or alkaline, it just means with a lot more oxygen. Beet juice helps to deliver oxygen around your body. And there's been studies to show that it helps the liver, be more effective by about 38%. So when we're talking about liver removing things, we're talking about oxygen circulating around the body and the brain. Having a 38% improvement was definitely going to speed up your recovery.
Yep.